Another content enhancement that can be used for all ages of math are number lines. Number lines are great because they help to make math more concrete. So you can use number lines to teach concepts like basic operations. So things like addition and subtraction, or operations with integers. So adding positive and negative numbers together and moving them up and down a number line are really useful there. But number lines are also good to help show relationships between different numbers. So you can start a number line from 0 to 1 and put 1,000 infinite numbers between those two numbers, and show how decimals really work and function, or how fractions really work together. So you could use a number line for whole class instruction. You could tape in individual number lines to students' desks and let them use them. And you can use them when you're comparing different numbers and looking at them closely. So really, all students can benefit from the use of number lines and helping to make math more concrete that way.